How to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. Now let's say it is a hassle in order for us to search for a name on Facebook and unfollow them one by one. Now all we have to do to see everyone that we have followed on Facebook at once and try to unfollow them is to tap on this main menu right here and then scroll down until we find Settings and Privacy. Once we're here, we just have to tap on Settings and then scroll down until we find the section that says Preferences. We just have to tap on Feed right here, and we'll be able to see this Unfollow section right here. We just have to click on that, and we are able to see every people that we have followed on Facebook. Now, in order for us to unfollow everyone on Facebook, all we have to do is to tap on Unfollow right here in order for us to manually unfollow them. Once you're done unfollowing people, all you have to do is to go back and you successfully unfollowed them on Facebook. So that's how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. Hope we helped.